Hi. So now in this chapter we will see how to add the set items. Okay, how to add the set items. It is basically a hash. Okay, it's a comment. Okay, so as I told you in the previous section, once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can add the new items. Okay, so for adding the new item to the set, we will use the add command. Okay, we will use add function for this. So how to do this? Just suppose I want to add one thing. Let me take an example like Sharad. It is a variable and I'll use the let's say A. Okay, and then here I'll use B and then C. Okay, now it's been created, right? Sharad is now created. A, B, C is a content and Sharad is being created. Now I want to add one more variable, one more item in it like D. So what will I do? I will just put Sharad dot, I'll use add. Okay, and then add, I'll give the content D. Okay, and if I'll print this, then it is added. Now it is added somewhere. Okay, because we can't predict where it will add because the set is totally unorderable. Okay, okay, there is no specific order where it is been placed because it don't have any index, right? And for adding item from another set into a current set, there is one more function. Okay, this is the function where you have added item, you have directly given the item to the current set and added. Okay, what if I want to add two sets, or we want to add one set to another set? So for this, adding sets, we will use the update method. Use update method. Okay, like just suppose here, let me take set 1 is equal to, let me take A, B and C. There is one set and it's set 2. In set 2 we will do 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now I want to add element from set 2 to set 1. Okay, what I'm saying, I'm just saying I want to add element from set 2 to set 1. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use here set 1 first dot update command with set 2. I have written set 2 in the last because I want to add element from set 2. Okay, and if I'll print this, if I'll print what, set 1, because I have added all those things of set 2 in the set 1, then 1, 2, 3 and ABC, it printed. Now it is in set 1. I have updated the set 1 from set 2. Okay, even you can add any iterable objects also. So how to do this? Let me write the heading first. We can add any iterables. Okay, the basic update method does not have to be a set. It can be any iterable object. It maybe you can use tuple also, you can use list, you can use dictionary. It doesn't matter. It will not show you the error. Okay, So let me take this set first, set 1. Okay, now here this is a set because I have used the curly brackets. Now I will use a list 1. Okay, and for using list I'll use the square brackets, and here I'll write, let's say 1, 2 and 3. It is a list. Okay, so I want to combine a list and a set now. So what I'll do, I will first add the element of the list to a set. Okay, it is a set tutorial, so we will use all the concept related to set. Okay, so here what we will do, set 1 dot update, the same method what I did in the above, and then I'll use list 1. So if I'll print this set 1, then 1, 2, 3 ABC now combined. Now we have combined a list to a set. Okay, so this is the basic thing of the set. You can't do more than this. There's only 2-3 options available for adding and updating this set. Okay, and I have shown you all those ways by which you can change or by which you can add the set items. Okay, so in the next chapter we will see how to remove the set item. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.